of the answers that the model can explain is where does addiction come from? We just spoke about how we are addicted to prove ourselves and so on. But why is that? Okay. So I am going to tell you about a problem we don't know we have. Yeah, I told you also, you come here, you don't have problems, you get out with many, right? So I am going to tell you about a problem you don't know you have. But I hope by knowing it, it will give you more freedom. The model is like this. This is us, our actual self. So, what do I see? I see the image I want to project to other people. Superman. Okay. So this is the projected self. We all know it does not exist. It's not a being. It is just something that I am making up. It's not a real being. It's a projection that I am trying to convince others that I am like this, like that. I can see it, so it's not me. It's what we spoke yesterday. Where is Kim? I don't see you. Kim. Yeah. I am not a physician. I am not a mother. I see that image, and I have worked a lot for that image. But I am not my image. So, what else? All the ideas I have about myself. So, the ideas I have about myself, we give the name conceptual self, which means all the concepts, beliefs I have about myself. Not complicated to know, I am not good enough, are among them. I am not sexy enough, I am not... I have other beliefs about myself, but I have a lot of beliefs where I am short of something. But along with these beliefs, I have what I would love to appear, but what I would love to appear as a fantasy. You know, a Frenchman would like when he enters a room that all women fall in love with him. Okay? So this is the ideal self. So here I try to draw like an angel in case I succeed. Ideal self. There is a slight problem here, which is that there is a gap between my ideal self and my conceptual self. Big gap, small gap, there is a gap. The problem arises because I spend my time having a look on that unconsciously, of course, having a look on that gap and not liking that gap. So I have to prove, I have to convince, I have to tell you whatever. And I also have a look on my projected self, and if I don't succeed to convince you that I am this extraordinary projected self, then I am again trying to prove, trying to convince. It is tiring. Well, it's exactly the work you have been doing these days. Okay? So, for the moment, there is nothing new. We are just conceptualizing what is taking place. So you are going to ask me, where is the problem we don't know we have, right? Well, you are in the seminar, or you are in a meeting. So while you are doing something, exactly at the same time, you are having an eye on the gap and on the projected self. It means, let's say we talk. At the same time, you ask yourself, what does he think about me? Is he going to like me? How do I appear? Do I appear dumb, not interested? So each time you focus on the gap, as you cannot at the same time focus on me, each time you focus on the gap, you stop focusing on me. So you cannot be with me. This is the problem we don't know we have. It is each time we are doing that, we are not with what we are doing. And it is huge. It is huge. You coach someone and you catch yourself asking yourself, am I doing a good coaching? What is he or she going to think about me? But the time I am with that, I am not with the person I am coaching. Okay. So, worst case scenario, the way I am perceived by my customer, by the person in front of me, becomes more important than the activity itself. So this is what you have seen yesterday with the unconscious goal and the fixed idea. How perversively the unconscious goal and the fixed idea can become more important than what you are doing. More important because when you look at the gap or the pain brings you back to your unconscious goal. So this is the problem we don't know we have. It is each time we unconsciously look at the gap, we go back to the different things you have in your charts that are there for you to be like light bulbs that you are not with what you want to create. Okay. So this helps you understand why feedback is so difficult to receive. Of course, you